Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
In English grammar, there are 5 primary verb forms. 1. Base form, e.g., go, write, the simplest form, without a specific tense. 2. Past form, e.g., went, wrote, used for the simple past tense. 3. Present participle, e.g., going, writing, often used with be to form continuous tenses. 4. Past participle, e.g., gone, written, used with have for perfect tenses. 5. S form, e.g., goes, writes, used in the third person singular of the present simple tense.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.